Various forms and list pages are available for creating, reviewing, and updating sales orders. The following topics review the sales order form and sales order list page functionality. Let's open AX and take a look at them. We'll start by going to the Sales and Marketing module. You can also use the Call Center, Retail, or Accounts Receivable modules to view and modify sales orders. We'll primarily be focusing on the Sales and Marketing module. Underneath the Common folder, you'll see there's a sales order folder with several different views. Let's start with the All Sales Orders. This view will display a list of every single sales order in the entire system for the particular legal entity that you are connected to. You can see basic information such as the sales order number, the customer information, the type of order, and the status of the order. If the order is on hold, you'll be able to see that information as well on the right-hand side. The fact boxes on the right will show you the latest sales orders related to the order or the customer that you have selected. You can also expand the related information fact box to see whether there are related quotations, related sales orders, or invoices. When you hover over one of the hyperlinks, a dialog box will appear that shows you the additional information. By clicking on one of these hyperlinks, a new screen will open that will show you the details of that particular data. In this case, it's the open customer invoices. Let's go back and open up the sales order details form to take a look at the details of a particular sales order. You can do this by double-clicking on the order or by clicking Edit in the Maintain group of the Action pane. On the sales order form, you can see the sales order lines. This particular order doesn't have any lines yet, so we could add one by selecting an item number. On the top portion of the form, you can see the sales order header, which will display basic information about the order. You can see the delivery information, the delivery dates. You could enter references such as the customer's requisition. This is oftentimes referred to as the customer PO number. And you can see the discount, warehouse, and transportation management information. When you go to the bottom of the form, you can click on the Line Details tab to view additional information about the line you have selected in the Sales Order Lines Fast tab. Across the bottom of the form, there are additional tabs that you can click on to view detailed information, such as the setup, the address, and product information. Across the very top of the form, there are many different buttons and actions that can be performed for a specific item. The Sales Order tab has the basic information. We can switch from the header to the line view. We're currently in the line view, and I know this because the line view button is highlighted in orange. By default, the sales order form will always open in the line view. To switch to the header view and update basic information about the header of the order, you can click the header view. When you are in the header view of a sales order, you cannot see any line information about the order. When you update information on the header of the order, depending on the parameters that are configured in Sales and Marketing parameters and Accounts Receivable parameters, certain information might automatically be updated on the lines of an order. You may also be prompted or no action may be taken. You can update information such as the dimensions, site and warehouse, or the references here as well. If you click the Setup tab, you can see the basic information about sales taxes, posting, commissions, and administration. The sales responsible is important for making commissions work. We'll discuss commissions later in the distribution and trade course. The Address tab will display the basic address information for your order. The Delivery tab will show you the delivery information, such as the dates, the carrier, and any sort of details that you want to specify, such as ship complete or expedite. You'll also notice modes of delivery and delivery terms on the right, and a group of fields for transportation management that are new to AX 2012 R3. The Price and Discount tab will display basic information about the currency and payment information, such as the payment terms, the due date, and method of payment. If cash discounts are to apply, this information will pull in from the customer. Any of this information can be overridden manually. On the right-hand side, you can see information about discounts and charges. The Packing tab displays information that's specific to the wireless functionality in AX. The Intercompany Settings tab includes checkboxes and fields that indicate whether or not this is an intercompany sales order. The Foreign Trade tab includes fields that are specific to trading with foreign entities. The Warehouse Management tab, which is new to AX 2012 R3, will display the release status of the sales order. And the Transportation Management tab will display the route information. The last tab is Financial Dimensions. Financial dimensions are important on sales orders and any transaction in AX as they are used to post the financial information for a particular transaction. Any dimensions that are specified on the header or the lines of the order will be used when posting transactions, such as packing slips or invoices. Let's switch back to the line view. You'll notice on the sales order line there are many different buttons. We'll be reviewing many of these functions later in another lesson. Now that you've seen the sales order form, let's talk about the types of orders and statuses that a sales order can be.